Hi, welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we're gonna cook Porkchop Tagalog. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. This Porkchop Tagalog is very easy to cook. We have only a few ingredients here. We have lemon juice, soy sauce, salt and pepper, and we have the pork chop, of course. Look how good it is. How good this cuts. Some people they marinate this for 2 hours, but what I usually do is I just mix this and boil it and fry it, and we will add a couple of onions, after frying. I usually use red onions. So let's proceed to cooking. So what we're gonna do now is let's mix this lemon and soy sauce together, and let's turn this over. I'll just leave it for 20 minutes or so before boiling it, and we'll leave it for now, and we'll add a little of salt and some ground pepper, black pepper. That's it. We're gonna leave it and we'll proceed to cooking in 20 minutes. Our pan is hot now. We'll put the pork chop, and we're gonna let it boil with the lemon and soy sauce. So when it's tender, we're gonna put some oil to fry it, and we're gonna let it brown a little bit, and then we're gonna mix the onions. We're gonna cook the onions, and that's it. Now I'm gonna pour the marinade here. All right. Now we're gonna let this boil to tender for, I'd just say 15 minutes or so, and we'll be back in 15 minutes. Here you can see I put the pork chop already, and we're gonna let it boil for 15 minutes or so, and once it's tender, we will fry this with olive oil, and probably fry this for the next 5 minutes, and then we're gonna cook the onions and mix it together. So we'll cover this for the meantime, and we'll be back to you in 20 minutes. Let's see what's going on with the meat here. Wow, it's dry now. It's cooked already. Now we're gonna put some oil to fry it, to let it brown a little bit, both sides, and then we're gonna transfer this to serving plate, and we'll be back with you in 2 minutes. Now we'll cook the onions. For a few seconds. Then we're gonna put this on top of the pork chop. Okay. This will only take, I should say, a minute, and then we'll transfer it to a serving dish. I'll be back with you. Here is our finished product, the pork chop Tagalog.